Hello friends, I am Rahul Gavande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in last video we studied practice set 3.1 of third chapter arithmetic progression. In 3.1 we studied about the sequence and identification of an AP. With that, to find first term and common difference. Now, next point is nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. Arithmetic progression. Nth term. Here, nth term, it means last term of an AP. Suppose one AP is given 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Now here first term is T1. T1 is equal to 2. Second term T2 is 4. Third term T3 6. Fourth term 8. And now if we want 10th term, last term. Now for this last term we want. For us, for this AP, last term is 10th term. Suppose first, second, third, fourth, 10th term we want. Now that 10th term means nth term here. Tn. In this way, T10 question mark. Now here T10 means last for this. As here this is first, second, third, fourth. In this way we want 10th term question mark. We don't know. And if you want to find, if an AP is given last term for this AP, this is last term, we don't know and we have to find, then one formula is there. To find nth term is last term and formula is Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 D. This is the formula. You have to memorize this formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 bracket close into D. Here Tn means last term. For us, for this AP, nth term means last 10th term. N value 10. N is equal to 10. A means first term. First term. This is A. First term. T1 means A. N means this. Whatever that number we want, and D means common difference. Common difference you know how to find. Difference between two consecutive terms. Now here, if you want 10th term here, terms we know which are n is equal to 10, A is equal to first term means T1, 2, difference we want, difference is equal to, if terms are there, difference between two consecutive, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, difference is of 2. And if you put all these values in this formula, you will get 10th term. Now let's see. T10. N is equal to 10. A value 2. Plus in bracket N again 10. Minus 1 multiplied by 2. T10. Now here T10 means last term for us. For this AP, last term is 10 and solve this. 2 plus first round subtraction 9 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 plus 18 20. T10 is equal to 20. If you continue 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 at 10th place, 10th position, number 20 will come here. In this way, the formula that we have to use to find last term is Tn. This formula we have to use. Let's see examples based on this with practice set 3.2. Question of practice set 3.2. Write the correct number in the given boxes from the following AP. And this is activity based example, very easy. We have to write here correct number in the box. Now first AP is 1, 8, 15, 22. Here A is equal to, A means first term. First term is 1. T1 means first term itself. Again first term 1. T2 second term 8. T3 third term 15. Okay. T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1, subtraction, difference is 7. T3 minus T2, T3 15, 15 minus 8, 15 minus 8, again 7. See, both numbers are same. That is a common difference, and common difference D is 7. Okay. Second, given AB is 3, 6, 9, 12. Here T1 is 3, first term 3. T2 6, T3 9, T4 12. T2 minus T1, T2 6 minus 3, difference is 3. T3 minus T2, T3 9 minus 6, difference is 3. Again common difference D is constant, therefore D is equal to 3. Third example, given AP is minus 3, minus 8, minus 13, minus 18 and so on. Here T3, terms are here and there. T3, 1, 2, 3, minus 13. T2, 1, 2, minus 8. T4, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 18. T1, minus 3. These terms are given here and there. T2 minus T1, T2 minus 8. Minus for subtraction, T1 minus 3. Okay, and if we solve this, minus 8 plus 3 minus 5, minus 8 minus minus plus, minus 8 plus 3 minus 5. T3 minus T2, T3 minus 13, minus for subtraction, T2 minus 8. Again here minus 13, minus minus plus 8, minus 13 plus 8, I will send minus 5. This is common difference D. Common difference D is minus 5 here. And we want A also. A means first term. And what is first term? T1. T1 minus 3. These are same meaning words. A and T1, first term of an AP. Let's see fourth. Given AP is 70, 60, 50, 40. T1, first term this only. Not smaller, starting first 70, T2 60, T3 50 and so on. A is first term is 70. What is difference? Next minus first, next consecutive minus previous number is 60 minus 70, higher sign minus 10. Therefore here difference will be minus 10. 60, T2 minus T1, 60 minus 70, 60 minus 70 minus 10. In this way, this is first question, that is of activity base. Now let's see question number 2. Question number 2 is decide whether following sequence is an AP. We have to decide first. It is not said that it is AP. If so, find the 20th term. If yes, if that is an AP, find 20th term of the progression. And this is progression. We have to find is it arithmetic progression or not. Progression in sequence. Now let's see. Given sequence is minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30 and so on. Here T1 is equal to minus 12, T2 is equal to minus 5, T3 is equal to 2, T4 is equal to 9 and so on. Okay, because we want, for the difference we want only one pair. Let's find common difference. T2 minus T1 is equal to minus 5 minus in bracket minus 12. Minus 5 is T2, minus for subtraction, T1 is also minus 12. is equal to, if we solve this, minus 5 plus 12, higher value sign plus, and 12 minus 5, 7. 7 is common difference. 7 is difference, first difference. T3 minus T2. T3. Now T3, 2. 2 minus 4 subtraction, T2 is minus 5. Again 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Same. T4 minus T3. T4, 9. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Now here 7, 7, 7. Common difference is constant. Here common difference, that is D, is equal to 7. Common difference D is equal to 7. And if this is constant, therefore we can say given sequence is an AP. Therefore given sequence is an AP. Okay? If so, find 20th term, T20. We have to find T20, and for that we have to use Tn formula. Tn. Now first term we got, first term, what is first term? Minus 12. Difference we got, n is 20. N is equal to 20. By putting all these values in the formula, we can find T20. Now let's find T20. Here are a formula. Now Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 D. Now n means 20. T20 is equal to A, first term. First term is here minus 12. Minus 12 plus in bracket n value 20 minus 1 multiplied by difference is of 7. Now we have to solve this. Minus 12 plus 19 multiplied by 7. Now is equal to minus 12 plus 19 7s are 133. Subtraction now, bigger number sign, higher sign plus, and subtraction is 1 to 1, 121, T20. Here we got 20th term is 121. Let's see question number 3. It's very easy. Given AP, given arithmetic progression is 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Here first term is A now. A is equal to 12. Difference we want, and as this is an AP already, it is an AP, all the differences are constant. Therefore take only one. 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. And we want 24th term. 24th term is T24 we have to find. And for that 24th term is, that's n value. N is equal to 24. And now use Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 bracket close into D. Now it is very easy. Put value T24 is equal to A is 12 first term plus n value again 24 minus 1 multiplied by difference is of 4. Solve this and find value of T24. 12 plus 23 multiplied by 4. Always first product. 12 plus 23 4s are 4 3s are 12, 1 8 4 2s are 8 plus 1 92. And addition how much? 104. That is T24. See question number 4. Find 19th term of the following AP. It is also same. Given AP is 7, 13, 19, 25 and so on. Here, now first term is A. A is equal to 7. Difference we want. Next minus first. 13 minus 7. 6. and we want 19th term, therefore n is equal to 19th term. Write Tn formula. Tn is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 bracket close into d. Put values. T19 is equal to a7 plus 19 minus 1 multiplied by difference is of 6. T19 is equal to 7 plus 19 minus 1 18 multiplied by 6. T19 is equal to 7 plus 18 6 are 8. T19 is equal to addition 115. T19 is equal to 115. Let's see question number 4. Find 27th term of AP. Same method. Given AP is 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11. Here, first term is A. A is equal to 9. Difference 4 minus 9. Next minus first. Minus 5. And we want 27th term. Therefore, n is equal to 27. Therefore, Tn formula. Tn is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 bracket close into d. N is 27 is equal to a9 plus in bracket n 27 minus 1 multiplied by difference is of minus 5. In bracket I write it. T27 is equal to 9. Now here you see plus 26 multiplied by minus 5. First product. T27 is equal to 9. Now here you see plus minus minus. 26 5s are 6 5s are 30. 3 carried over. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 13. 130. T27 is equal to subtraction higher value sign minus and subtraction is 121 but minus negative. T27 is minus 121. Here you see numbers are increasing but negative. In this way at 27th place minus 121 this number will be there.